Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the latest AI tools for business in September 2023. AI is rapidly transforming the business world, and there are now a wide range of AI tools available that can help businesses of all sizes to improve their operations, increase their profits, and gain a competitive advantage. In this video, I'm going to highlight some of the most exciting and innovative AI tools that are currently available, and explain how businesses can use them to improve their bottom line. 10 latest AI tools for business in September 2023. 1. Notion AI. Notion AI is a new AI feature that is integrated into the popular note-taking and productivity app Notion. Notion AI can help users with a variety of tasks, including summarizing notes, identifying action items in meetings, and creating and modifying text. 2. SAP Joule. SAP Joule is a new generative AI assistant from SAP that can be used to create and automate a wide range of business processes. Joule can understand natural language and can be used to create and modify reports, presentations, and other documents. 3. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is a new AI-powered code completion tool that is integrated into the Visual Studio Code IDE. Copilot can suggest code snippets, functions, and even entire classes to help programmers write code more quickly and efficiently. 4. Google Cloud AI Platform. Google Cloud AI Platform is a suite of AI tools and services that can be used to build, deploy, and manage AI models. Google Cloud AI Platform includes a wide range of tools such as AutoML, Cloud TPUs, and Vertex AI, which can be used to solve a variety of business problems. 5. AWS AI Services. AWS AI Services is a suite of AI tools and services that can be used to build, deploy, and manage AI models. AWS AI Services includes a wide range of tools such as SageMaker, Rekognition, and Comprehend, which can be used to solve a variety of business problems. 6. IBM Watson. IBM Watson is a cognitive computing platform that can be used to build and deploy AI models. Watson includes a wide range of capabilities such as natural language processing, machine learning, and computer vision, which can be used to solve a variety of business problems. 7. Salesforce Einstein. Salesforce Einstein is an AI platform that is integrated into the Salesforce CRM platform. Einstein can be used to automate tasks, predict customer behavior, and optimize marketing campaigns. 8. HubSpot AI. HubSpot AI is an AI platform that is integrated into the HubSpot Marketing CRM platform. HubSpot AI can be used to automate tasks, personalize marketing campaigns, and predict customer behavior. 9. Zoom AI. Zoom AI is an AI platform that is integrated into the Zoom video conferencing platform. Zoom AI can be used to transcribe meetings, translate languages, and identify action items. 10. Calendly AI. Calendly AI is an AI platform that is integrated into the Calendly scheduling platform. Calendly AI can be used to automate scheduling, suggest meeting times, and identify conflicts. How businesses can use AI tools to improve their bottom line? AI tools can be used by businesses of all sizes to improve their bottom line in a variety of ways. For example, AI tools can be used to automate tasks and processes, improve customer service, increase sales and marketing effectiveness, reduce costs, gain a competitive advantage. AI is a powerful tool that can be used to improve businesses of all sizes. By using the latest AI tools, businesses can automate tasks, improve customer service, increase sales and marketing effectiveness, reduce costs, and gain a competitive advantage. If you're interested in learning more about how to use AI tools to improve your business, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.